Good afternoon to the Christian community all over the world. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. I am Olorunlowayinde, also known as Sapphire Jewel, one of the many voices of TBC around the world. Today is another wonderful Wednesday, a day of meeting again with the creator of TBC, the founder of TBC, the admin himself. So, guys, don't forget by 4 p.m. West African time is the date, is the time. So, come on board. We have enough seats, at least 1,000 seats is available in the Zoom meeting. Come on board, come and get trained, come and learn more about TBC. And also, about you can come up with any question that has to do with the policy and running of TBC. Come on board, come and ask the admin himself any question you want to ask him. And guys, you'll be sure you will get the right, the truth, and the genuine answers to your question. Also, don't forget, for as many who are still dilly-dallying, thinking, who are still on the fence, come on board. The core team is superb. Yeah, the backup team is wonderful. The rotator is on. Come on board. Come on board. Acquire as many TBC as you can now. This is the time to acquire. This is the time to acquire. So, guys, also don't forget we have the GGR. That is a wonderful GGR that gives you value for your money. GGR, the coin that defies inflation. Come on board. And when you buy a GGR today, you'll be given 4 TBC. You can imagine 4 TBC, which will automatically give you another 4K love come next year. Guys, this is not a dull moment. Come on board. Do all within your best and ensure you are part of this. And to anyone who is listening to me for the first time, TBC is a community of love and respect. We are a humanitarian community, a community of love that God has bring us all together across the globe. We want to change the inequality, we want to change the status quo in our world. We are out here to eradicate poverty. We are out, oh God, to show the love of God to humanity. We are out to restore the abundance that God has given to humanity back to humanity. So, guys, come on board. And if you are here to join, you're here to subscribe to this channel, click on that link by your right hand side and subscribe to the channel. And if you are new and you want to register, come on board. You will see a link below this video. Come on board, register, and come on board. Looking forward to hear from you. Thank you. Bye for now.